Samsaleka is the reason why his wives that are not getting along anymore. If you've been following Uthando Nesthembu from season 1, you know that the wives they used to go shopping together, they will go dinner together without Musamsaleko. And right now, they cannot even sit next to each other. So today, Musamsaleko posted Maqele, his first wife, Umama Zala Kasam. Musamsaleko posted this a beautiful picture, as you can see, with a caption that really got a lot of people talking. Supporting your husband like Ndlunkulu Maqele will make you to be hated by many. And people are asking themselves, what is going on? Who is hating Maqele? First of all, you are the reason why these wives that are not getting along. People are saying, oh, it's Maqele, she's supporting you Kasamge because she knows that the other wives are not happy. People are saying, oh, we'll say, Khumalo and Maqele used to be bestie. They will go out together. They will even present a show together. But right now, they cannot do that. They cannot even pretend. You have seen on Uthando Nesthembu season 8, these two, they no longer like each other. Even on a direct section, Khumalo, she's saying this stuff. Maqele naye, she's saying the other stuff. So you can see what these people are tired. Just to spend 1 hour together, it is too much. So for Musamsaleko needs to fix himself to think ukuthi Maqele she's being hated by other wives because she is supporting him. It doesn't make sense. The other wives they do love Musamsaleko. The only thing they hate Musamsaleko is because he gossip too much, guys. And not everybody likes a husband that gossip. Imagine you telling him something and then he goes and tell your sister wife. Come on, that is too much. So guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment.